Can you get a custom size mattress? If you're wondering whether you can get a mattress that fits your unique needs, you're not alone. Many people have beds that don't match the standard mattress sizes, and that's where custom size mattresses come in. Imagine having a mattress that perfectly fits your antique bed, your RV, or even your boat. It's entirely possible. Companies like the Original Mattress Factory, Foam by Mail, and Tampa Mattress specialize in making mattresses in nearly any shape and size you need. For instance, if you have an antique bed, you might need a mattress with corner cuts to accommodate the bed's posters. The Original Mattress Factory can make mattresses for these beds, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit. If you're looking for a mattress for your RV or boat, these companies can also help. RV mattresses often require corner cuts and may be shorter than standard sizes to fit the tight quarters. For boats, you can even use your current mattress as a template to ensure a perfect fit. When it comes to ordering a custom mattress, you'll need to provide your desired dimensions. For example, Foam by Mail allows you to enter your dimensions in inches and even offers different foam types and thicknesses. They can make mattresses up to 76 inches by 82 inches in a single piece, and larger sizes are made by gluing two pieces of foam together. The process of ordering is relatively straightforward. You can contact the company directly via email or phone, providing your name, location, and contact information. For Tampa Mattress, you can fill out a form on their website to get a price quote, and they typically take around 2 weeks to build your custom mattress. Custom mattresses can also be made in various shapes, such as standard rectangles, angled corners, or notched corners. This flexibility ensures that you can get a mattress that fits any unique space you have. One thing to keep in mind is that custom mattresses may have some limitations. For example, finding sheets and other bedding to fit your custom mattress might be a bit challenging. However, many companies suggest using larger sheets and tucking them under to ensure a good fit. In terms of quality, these custom mattresses are made from long-lasting and supportive materials. Foam by Mail uses conventional foam that meets CertiPUR US certification, ensuring it's both comfortable and safe. So, to answer your question, yes, you can definitely get a custom-size mattress. Whether it's for an antique bed, an RV, or any other unique space, there are companies ready to help you get the perfect fit for a great night's sleep.